Hey everybody, this is Tommy Myers with MarineMax Selling Ski in Austin, Texas. Today I want to show you a little about the Harris Solstice pontoon boat. This is a 220 model, and a couple of things I want to just point out to you is one, this boat is very much a comfortable boat. So comfort is a nice key. If you just look at how comfortable everything is, notice I've got nice lumbar support. I can easily stretch out, so you can fit a lot of people up front. You know, a nice home away from home here. Also, as far as comfort goes, you've got double biminis on this boat, and they zip together so you can have a full coverage over the boat to protect you from the sun. So you can spend as much time as you want out on the lake, away from any crowds, in your own living room on the water. As well as comfort, this boat has lots of storage to offer. You have storage underneath each seat. One thing I want to point out is if you notice how the hinges on this seat allow it to kind of come down, so it's easy to be able to get on your knees, be able to reach down here and get everything. And you have storage underneath every seat in this boat, as well as an in-floor storage. So nice room for all your noodles, oars, fishing rods, anything with length. So you also have a very nice storage compartment underneath the helm. And then you have the coffin, I like to call it. Back here on the back lounging seat, when you lift this seat open, you have a giant storage area. So one nice thing about the comfort of this boat is you can flip this back and forth, so you can hang out watching your skiers and tubers, wakeboarders. But then while we're cruising out on that night cruise on the lake, I can sit here. Still got lots of room for lots of people. Very comfortable driver's chair. And this just has the wow factor with the Solstice dash here, nice little glove box, great instrumentation. You've got a Simrad system and a JL audio stereo system. This boat is also loaded with LED lights throughout the cup holders, bottom of the seat bases, as well as docking lights and external lights. And don't forget, we've got here a digital throttle and shift, so very convenient, easy to shift in and out of gear. Even has a push button start button up here. So everything you want on the water all the way from home. This is the 2019 Harris Solstice 220. I'm Tommy Myers with MarineMax Selling Ski. Reach out to us, I'll be glad to help you, show you this boat. Thank you and God bless. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, feel free to call me or ask for any of our sales staff or visit us at any of our locations, Austin, San Antonio, or Lakeway.